Grab your free guide to becoming the Apex. Strategies on how to grow on YouTube today. Link in the description. How's it going, everybody? It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. This afternoon we're here in La Huerta in Alameda, California. We're checking out a spot here that is a home kitchen based authentic Mexican food. Excited to meet the chef, the owners. We're gonna do that and show you everything in this video, from authentic home cooking. I believe there's a birria dish, Chile Relleno, and other things too. So really excited to be here, and I can't wait to show you everything in this video. With that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey guys, I'm here at La Huerta. Okay, this is Felipe and Aaron. They are utilizing this place as your home.
It is.
Okay,
We
so
turn it into a commercial kitchen. We set it up to standards of a business kitchen.
Okay.
So that's where we work from.
So what do you guys serve here? What kind of food is that?
Recently, the Quesobirria Taco has been kind of taking the scene in the Bay Area, or at least Northern California.
So authentic Mexican food?
Yeah, authentic Mexican food. The particular thing that we started off with was this taco called the Quesobirria Taco.
Quesabirria, yeah.
This is something that originates birria in Jalisco, which is where Felipe is from, and his father was a man who prepared birria. So the recipe comes from a long lineage and long traditions that's been passed on. This was something that we just cooked for friends and family, and we decided, what if we put a price on it? And so far the community has responded really well. We've just redone our kitchen and kind of started La Huerta out of nowhere.
Sounds terrific, guys. I'm excited to be here. Excited to showcase this place here in Alameda with Aaron and Felipe. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Stay tuned for some more things from Chef. All right. Homemade chips.
Yes. Like we make everything from scratch. The huerta stands for farm.
Stands for farm. Okay. I like that. La Huerta, the farm.
Yeah. So now you know.
Oh, look at this sauce here.
We have salsa verde.
That's salsa verde.
The tomatillo, roasted jalapenos, roasted tomatillos.
Oh.
This one is chili oil.
Okay, so Chef is preparing some of the tortilla chips right now. And then again, you have this like the sense of like authenticity, home cooked, know where the source is coming from, and he has experience to back that up too.
And all the local farmers have a gigantic trucks with very fresh produce.
Wow.
And so he gets kind of those first, grabs.
Wow.
Being a chef at a restaurant, at a big restaurant, so I was always in charge of buying stuff. So that's how I get to know like how to
you know the market, how to source it, where to get it from.
Get the best stuff.
Chef Felipe said they get prime cut meats here. We're gonna take a look at some of that there.
Beef. And the broth, the consomme, it's outside, it's boiling still.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be the birria.
Look at that.
This is 10 hours of work, prepping and cooking.
Look at that.
10 hours of prepping and cooking. 10 hours, but you see this? Look, it melts.
Yeah, fall apart.
Falls
Look
apart.
at the strands of meat falling apart. Wow. Ooh. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the way I do, I get pieces of meat like this, and I heat them up in the broth, in the consomme.
Those are all my forgotten about plants over there.
Consomme. And that's where I'm gonna heat up this meat so I can make the tacos. And that's the consomme, the dipping sauce for the tacos.
Oh yeah. Take that out.
And that's how we do it.
Yeah. That's the way. Awesome. Okay, so he just like loaded that pot full of the consomme. He just put the birria inside of there. That's just gonna cook. That's just going to stew. Awesome, Chef. Aaron's there supervising. Good job, Aaron.
I do, yeah.
right. This is what we want.
Yeah. Oh wow.
In this particular dish, it takes a bunch of spices, bay leaves, cloves,
Yeah.
cumin, marjoram, oregano. Some people put vinegar in it. I personally don't like the vinegar flavor.
Yeah, yeah.
I put orange. I put orange in it.
Nice.
Your tacos. Yeah, you don't even need a knife.
Yeah, you're hardly even.
You can do it with a fork.
Like he just said, that you hardly have to really press on the knife when it comes to cutting that birria. It's so tender. It's so just already falling apart.
So this is very laborious. So
Yeah.
but it's a poblano pepper.
Yeah, check out poblano peppers, huh?
Stuffed with cheese. I used to mix of fresco, cotija, and Oaxacan.
So Chef has introduced his style of Chile Relleno. I'm excited to try that because I love Chile Rellenos. I'm excited to try his rendition of that poblano pepper.
This is queso Oaxaca.
Queso Oaxaca.
Yeah, it's a specific from a region in Mexico, like from Oaxaca, Mexico.
Nice.
It's like a Mexican mozzarella.
Mexican mozzarella.
Yeah, shredded meat on it. Salt. No. Fold them. It still works.
Oh yeah, you are working it right now, my friend.
Yeah, but
You are working it. So we are just kind of waiting for the food. If I haven't said it yet, I'm extremely excited because just the way that Chef Felipe is preparing it, his expertise, his knowledge of the cuisine, those quesabirrias, oh, I can't get enough of those. I've had those a few times already and I just can't get enough. The Chile Relleno, and just excited to try what he has in store. We're outside, outdoors, a beautiful place, beautiful garden setting, and they even have like a softball field in their backyard. Not in the backyard, but like right over there, just the softball field. Yeah.
So these are all homemade too. Jalapeno itself does have a little bit of a spice to it, but the carrot is amazing. The birria, the consomme that you're gonna have, we use the tomatoes from our garden.
The time has finally come to try their quesabirria. We've had these before, as I said, and yeah, as he prepared it, you could tell Chef knows what he's doing. Fire. Just take a look at that. Oh, it's dripping the juice, piping hot and ready to go ahead and be devoured. I'm just gonna go ahead and go for that because she just said to pour a little bit in there, right? Oh, sure. Yeah. Oh, use a spoon and put it inside there.
this one is for your taco.
Okay.
That one is if you want to pour some of that in your consomme.
Oh, this one in the consomme?
Yeah.
How? This both of them or just this one? What do you think?
This one you usually put it on the
Just the taco by itself, right? Oh, okay, okay. So put this in the consomme.
Yeah, to make it a little spicy.
Spicier.
But
Oh.
not so much. It
Yeah.
depends how
Yeah.
much you would like spicy.
Yeah, Chef.
Hey.
Ooh, check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Just
spicy.
and oh man. Okay. Just a little bit more. Boom. Yeah. Game winner right there. We're gonna go ahead and do the dip now. And dip. Oh. Dip again. And bite. Oh, that initial first bite, man, was just an explosion. Explosion of consomme, the spice, the cheese, the birria, the tortilla. Yeah, there is just like a vibrancy about this. And I'm not talking about just the coloring, but the actual like textures and flavors of this, man. It's just like, it's vibrant, slightly spicy from the consomme. When I put that spice in, yeah, there is some spice to that. I have to go again. Okay. Dip, dip, and I'm probably gonna chase this with jalapeno. I'll chase it with the jalapeno. And these jalapenos and the carrots are sourced here in their garden, like behind me or around me. And bite. Oh man, hold up. And the jalapeno. Okay. The pickled jalapeno, wow. That just like pops. Slightly grilled too, like you grill it and then you chill it. Yeah, you taste the brininess of it. That complements the warm quesabirria, and that works. Like, it's actually refreshing, cooling too. I'm gonna chase this next bite with the carrot. Okay, and bite. Carrot. Mouth is kind of full, but I am just like cheerful right now. Pickled carrot texture, I love it. It's nice and crunchy, cooling too, and I love that pickling of it, that brininess of it. It's sweet. I'm gonna move on to this next dish here, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take a swig of this consomme. And there's spice in that too. It's just like dark red, but I'm just tempted. I just wanna go ahead, and you could do this. You could have the consomme on its own too as a soup. Okay, here we go. And slurp. Oh, yeah, that is warming. I did add the chili sauce in there too, so you have that spice kick to it, and I love it. If you're into spice, you want to add that chili sauce in there, but the consomme by itself, equally as delicious. You can have it with the taco. That's splendid. That's remarkable. All right, I'm excited to try this dish here because I am a big fan of Chile Relleno. From what Chef described, he's had chefs come here and they have qualified his stuff as like some of the best Chile Relleno. And I believe it too. Just look at that presentation. That is beautiful. The poblano pepper. I like that square rectangular Spanish rice. And then you have the queso Oaxaca, I believe. That's the queso Oaxaca? Oh, is it queso fresco? Okay, and the queso Oaxaca was inside of the birria. Enough talking. Let's go ahead and take a bite of this Chile Relleno. Just like this. Okay. And she said there's a pick in here to hold it together. Oh, there it is. Right there. I think that's the pick. Okay. Okay, we'll avoid that little stick right there. But that's just to hold it because, yeah, it's so massive. You need, like, support for this type of meal here. All right, I'm just going to go straight at as is without any of the hot sauces. Check that cheese out. Oh, man. And then oh, okay. Enough talking. Got to bite. All right, here we go. And bite. Mind blown. Yeah, I don't have Chile Relleno often, but when I do, I certainly love it. And this right here is amazing. This is something to love. This is something that you want to try here at La Huerta. The texture is nice and soft. You have the cheese inside of the poblano pepper. You have the slight like soft outer texture from the wrap around the poblano pepper, but then that flavor too, that tomato base. You have cilantro. I'm gonna go ahead and actually take another bite and chase it with the frijoles and bacon, and I'll probably chase it with the rice too. All right, and bite. Yeah, that's a winner right there. Just chase it with this right here, the frijoles. Bite. That frijoles is amazing. I've never had it with bacon bits before, but that totally works. Added with the queso fresca, you have texture from smooth to crunchy to cheesy. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try that rice by itself. Get a little bit of that rice. It's a Spanish rice. Okay, and bite. Oh yeah. Yeah, love it. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Spanish rice is sometimes the way to go. You want to go with that, especially in a plate like this. Okay, so Chef and Aaron told me that they it's roasted tomatoes on the Chile Relleno, and they sourced it from their garden back here. Your last harvest from their garden. This is beautiful. I mean, just the atmosphere, the food. Yeah, enjoying every second of it right now. A roundabout way of presenting your guac and chip. The chips here, he makes it himself from tortilla, from scratch. Let me get some of that here. Just scoop that. Oh, green onions, tomatoes. Oh, that. Yeah, guac. Okay. All right, that's a good bite right there. And bite. Oh, that is killer. Yeah, the guacamole is so creamy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of that chili sauce onto the guacamole with the chip. Drizzle that over the guac. That's just like just drenched in that chili sauce, that spicy sauce. All right, okay, here we go. And bite. Oh yeah, anything that has to do with chili or spice, big fanatic, big advocate of that. I'm gonna squeeze some lime onto my quesabirria. All right, that's good right there. And let's pour some of that Chile Verde on it. Yeah, okay. I might have to chase this with a slurp of the consomme and a bite out of a jalapeno and a carrot. I'm just gonna have everything, all that like combination, just everything. Okay, here we go. And bite. Let me chase that with the jalapeno. These pickled jalapenos, amazing. And with the consomme. Cheers. Last but not least, the pickled carrot. All right, and bite. Oh wow. Yeah, just everything goes with everything. You can mix it up, the flavors. I love the authenticity. This is like home food, homemade food, from the heart, from the soul. Amazing.
Hi. So good.
What do you like?
Chile Relleno.
Yeah.
It's, you know, tastes like tomato, goodness, soft.
We're just like enjoying our time here. Okay, Mexican. Okay. And then you drizzle this or you dip it?
You dip it on.
You just dip it?
Yeah.
These are the polvorones, right?
Yeah,
polvorones, as chef said, and typically made for celebrations, for weddings or events. Good? Oh man. Okay, here we go. Oh, you know it's gonna get powdery all over my face, but that's that's okay. Okay, and bite. Powder. I love the texture. It's powdery, sweet, and then you taste those pecans, almost like a shortbread. It's nutty, and then you have the dulce de leche, which I am a big fan of. Finish this half off. Okay, all right. I got a good chunk of the dulce de leche, and bite. Visiting Chef Felipe and Aaron just for the invite, having us here at this beautiful place. Beautiful food. Yeah, I want you guys to be sure to check them out. Where can people find you?
We're still kind of building up our platform and our presence. We're still very new, but you can definitely find us on social media. So we're on Instagram under La Huerta Taco, Facebook the same, La Huerta Tacos, and then we also have our email, lahuertatacos@yahoo.com.
There it is again, Chef. Amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
really glad that you liked it.
Fantastic place to be. Loving every moment of this evening. So appreciate them. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.
It's so good, guys.
You're so lucky. Do you know how lucky you are? Did you know that?
My aunt always gives me gummies too. Wow.